You want to go to the Microsoft Store version of the Roblox and join the game. I'm just going to join Blox Fruits for now. And then yeah, afterwards you can just exploit in Roblox for free. It just has a little key system beforehand. But apart from that, it is very OP. So we can auto farm in Blox Fruit, for example. Look at this, we are auto farming. But yeah, also apart from that, if you need any other help for Krnl, you can find their Discord server next to the download button on their website. So if you click this invite, it will take you to their Discord server. It seems like it's currently not working, not taking me there, but once the server is up, you can join it. And then you can view the documentation here as well. Apart from that, that is how you get Krnl. It is very easy and simple and it takes no time. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and peace.